Hola amigos, Angelo is here and we are going to see three amazing and very tactical examples and games from Kavala Open Tournament 2022. And without further ado, let's dive in. Arriva! This is the first position and white just played this move knight to b3, Konstantinos Skaperdas, a very nice and cool guy from Greece with approximately elo 2200 here attacking the bishop from his opponent. His opponent is a grandmaster, if I am not mistaken, very strong player, and here he has a decision. He has to move the bishop obviously, but where are you going to move this bishop from c5? And during the game he just played the mistake bishop to e7. I'm going to ask you why this is a mistake. Better move was to play this one on b6 or maybe on a7, but still white's position is better. Here we have some tactics, it's white's turn, and what you're going to play here with white. Obviously this pawn is under attack, you can take it obviously, but it's much better if you find it, congratulations, to play bishop to f4. The idea behind this move is that this pawn, believe it or not, it's under attack, it's under heavy pressure, it's very vulnerable here, and black has a lot of troubles there. Now what black should do? Let's see, the most obvious move actually is to capture that pawn. We can recapture with a knight, and after this, the only logical move, we can play this amazing check. Because the enemy king is still in the center of the board, he can play something like that. Here we can take with the queen, the knight with the queen. It's alright to do that, white is better in any case, but we have a better, more tactical move, and this is bishop takes b6. Wow! And here if the knight takes, we can take the queen. If the pawn takes, we can take the rook. So white is winning in this position. So during the game, his opponent, after this amazing move, he realized obviously that things are not very good, and for that reason he cast long side, and here Kostis finalized his idea. He just captured there. Obviously black can capture the bishop, but the idea is to capture on d7 with the pawn, and now the rook is unprotected and he will going to leave, he's going to lose the rook. After this he just capture, recapture, and here white is much better because he has the exchange up, rook for enemy bishop and an extra pawn. So after some moves, white won this game. If you would like to get attacking positions in every opening, then I suggest you this amazing course, 10 aggressive openings, blitz friendly. And here I'd like to show you the lessons inside the website. If you are logged in, then you are going to see this new menu profile. If you click it, you are going to see this page, and then you can click here my lessons. From this one you can see your available lessons, and if you scroll down you can click here 10 aggressive openings with Asaf Givon. With this fantastic author, we create together the lessons, and you can see here one lesson after the other. You can see typical mistakes, after that how to start the game correctly, the best 10 moves, then you can see what are the aggressive openings, and then you're going to learn one lesson after the other. We have a lot of lessons there, and you can create a very solid and strong repertoire with white and black. And here you can see two of the free lessons that I already published them on YouTube. And last but not least, here you can download the PGN theory on your website. You can download the practice, the PGN files. You can see all of the games online on my website, or if you click here on practice PDF, then you can see the exercises in the PDF format, and you will be available to download this as well. You can set up these positions. You have a lot of interesting examples in each position from every single opening. I suggest you this fantastic course in order to start correctly in every single opening. Here we have the second amazing position. It's white's turn. Here what you're going to do, obviously your rook is under attack, right? And the most logical move is to move somewhere the rook. This is okay to play this move, but we have something more here because we have a lot of pins, and here white found this amazing idea. If you find it, bravo, congratulations. Knight to d5, look at that. Black cannot take. Obviously if you just take like that, we can take the queen. White is winning here because he's threatening the rook, so black don't have time to capture white's rooks. He's not going to win material. Another variation is to capture with the knight, but here we have a checkmate because the queen is controlling this flying square, so the king is squeezed there. And the next one is to play here. He just removed the queen. As you can see, and the idea is if you just capture the rook here, the queen can recapture with check, and after that he can take the rook. For that reason, white didn't capture the rook. He gave this check, and king went out, and now he just captured on c6. Black don't have even time here to capture on the rook on e4 because the queen is under attack, so he played queen d6, rook e2, and white it's much better here. The knight is well protected here by the bishop, and black just tried some tricks, tried to sacrifice the bishop in order to capture the knight. Here we have rook here, rook e6, queen e6, a check, and after this he just played this amazing move, bishop to d5, creating a lot of problems because he is threatening that pawn. Maybe he would like to play knight e7, the knight is pinned, the queen is under attack, queen cannot take the bishop, he has a lot of problems. Queen g4 attacking the pawn on g3, so king f2, queen here, knight e7, increasing the pressure, and this will be a checkmate, right? Because the queen is still protecting this h7 square. So we have bishop here, try to complicate a little bit the matters, and after this he just played that. Now he played queen to c8, increasing the pressure there, and after rook takes, king here, rook h8, king here, and now he played a very nice move actually. He played queen to c6 check, the best move. During the game we have f6, and after that he just checkmate like that, but we have a very funny variation after rook f6. I saw this one and say, okay, what you are going to play here with white pieces? And if you selected bishop to e4, this is very nice move. You have checkmate in 5 moves actually. Here you have checkmate in 6 moves, but you can do it even better. And the better move is bishop takes f7 check. And after that he has only one move, 2 moves actually. One of them is to capture like that, and we have a checkmate. And the other idea is to go here, we have this check, and final checkmate there. A very nice game, right? And everything started with this amazing looking move, knight to d5. Very nice. I found it amazing, impressive, and for that reason I show you the game. Here we have another game actually. One player from Greece played this one. The white queen is under attack, it's white's turn right now. His opponent was much stronger than him, and white continued this game beautifully here. What are you going to play? And you should not just remove or exchange the queens, but he found this amazing rook exchange sacrifice, removing a key defender. The king is under attack, and after that we have this check. He went, obviously he cannot go back because we have bishop to h6, and now checkmate is coming on g7. For that reason he went out with the king, and now he played this move h4. Very important move, not only controlling that square with the pawn, but also he would like to give a check there. And after this move, black tried to create some counterplay. Here he played this very nice move, bishop to g5. This is a very strong move, but even better is bishop to h6. Easy to say when you are analyzing the game. My clock is not ticking actually. It's nice for me to analyze this, and I have my computer open, so everything is relaxing here. But during the game it's not so easy to find such strong moves. It's difficult to find. But the idea here, just to illustrate the idea, is to give this fantastic check on g7, and he cannot do a lot of things. It could be a checkmate. But okay, this is nice as well. Here we have another check. In this particular position, black didn't went on d5. In any case, white is going to capture the bishop on g2 because the king has to go somewhere, blocking the enemy queen. But he didn't went on d5 because we can take the bishop instantly with the king, but we have another move, knight to d5. Very nice move because we're threatening this check as well here, and it will be a very nice check there. So black played this move, king to e4. Here he just captured the bishop. Computer gives another amazing move, but it's almost impossible to find such a move during the game. And after that we can give a check, and after this we have this amazing move, queen to d4, because we are threatening a checkmate here on d2, and black cannot do a lot of things actually. But in any case, king takes g2 is also a very fine move, very nice move. And after this check, discover attack, the queen is attacking the king. Here what you are going to see, what you are going to play is white's turn, right? Is to go wrong, and unfortunately here white went wrong. He played knight to f3, bad move. He would like to give this check obviously with the queen, not exactly there, but here on d4. But unfortunately after queen e4 he is just in time to create some counterplay. He played this move stopping this check, but here after h5 he has some counterplay, and after a lot of complications white managed to the game ended in a draw. Actually h5 wasn't the best, but he played this one, and after a lot of complications we have the draw. But the best move here before this is to play f3, because it is blocking the check and it stops this queen e4 invention, so he cannot go inside. And now it's even not so easy actually to find a plan here for white. Computer found an amazing plan actually. It's extremely difficult to find such ideas. Computer suggests this move, bishop to c1, whatever he plays actually, and after that queen h6, and after this queen here or on d2 to play this move and create the checkmate actually. But it's very hard to find such moves. Better was to capture the pawn on h6, and after that on h7, and after that on g6. But unfortunately the game ended in a draw after these moves with some complications. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the positions, and see you soon. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here it's time for action. This is the initial page of my website, and here you can click Give me access to get access to free lessons. You can read this page, and if you scroll down, here you can add your name and your email. After that, you're going to take a free lesson how to avoid chess blunders. So, time for action is now, and you're very welcome to join my mail list.